Okay, we are ready to go now. So students, very good morning. Welcome to the entrepreneurship class. We have been going through these digital classes for quite a bit time. And I was thinking to take this as a live class, but looks like this is the only option right now. So decided to come on board through the digital media. Today's agenda is going to talk about entrepreneurship and especially on one book called Kidpreneur. There is a book written by two brothers in America about the entrepreneurship for students or entrepreneurship for children, how to become a business person or business girl or business boy at the younger age. Along with that, remember we have discussed the life goals last time. We will be talking about that also. So let us begin sharing our screen. I would like to show you the book which we are going to study today. It's called Kidpreneur. So you will see a screen changing now and coming to resume presentation. Stop screen sharing, resume presentation. Okay, here we go. So now you are going to see a new screen in front of you, which will be the screen. I would like to show this one. Give me a second. I think the sharing is getting interrupted. You are presenting. So sharing will be here, I guess. Stop presenting. I'm going to disconnect the sharing and presentation. How about now? That will not work either. We will restart the sharing, right? Present now, entire screen, and basically share. Admin. And let us see if we can be successful this time to bring the screen on. Students.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
you see the book in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can see the book, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can
Yes, sir.
you read what is in front of you?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
called
sir. Yes,
Kidpreneur.
sir.
Good ideas and entrepreneurs, empowering your children future. It's written by Matthew and Adam. So this is the book we are going to study today. Okay. This
Okay,
is
sir.
written for the young entrepreneurs so that we can imbibe the ideas into the young generation. Now the content of the book, I am going to play a video and you will be able to see what is the content of this book.
Hi there, I'm Lee. I'm a mom to 4 amazing kids, and we all happen to be big fans of Kidpreneurs.
Check if their teacher is
Kidpreneurs takes kids on a journey of launching and growing their own business through 10 jam-packed chapters. Each of these chapters focuses on concepts and life skills that will help kids in their business and in their personal life. What do you want to be when you grow up? How grown-ups earn money. This teaches kids about financial literacy, and it's so important. Are you an entrepreneur? Getting started, this teaches kids the basics and great tips on how to start their business. Sample businesses you can create, money on the internet, because we all know that social media and the internet has become a huge way for kids to be successful with their business. Green business and ethics, networking, giving back, and this is so important. I love that Kidpreneurs included this because this teaches kids how to be good citizens in their local communities and in the world. Finding their balance. Another awesome part of Kidpreneur is that they believe kids can be both a kidpreneur and a kid, that they can balance life and business. You can do it. Always encouraging. That's what Kidpreneurs is all about. And finally, my business plan. So Kidpreneurs includes ways for children to learn how to work a business plan, how to put it together, and how to make it successful.
Okay, students, we are going to be back. Okay, did you see the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
slow. Yes, very good, very
Yes,
good. So
sir.
I'm going to open that screen one more time and show it to you. This is the content of the book. It has 10 chapters, and the video was introducing you the step by step what are we going to study. So you can see that, chapter by chapter introduction talks about what do you want to become when you grow up, then how the grown-ups earn the money. Are you an entrepreneur? That means, do you have the characteristics, the required skills to become the entrepreneur? Getting started, how to start a business, then sample business you can create. So there are examples in this book. We are going to study one by one, and you might be able to begin some of them right now itself. You don't have to be a grown-up. You can begin these businesses when you are studying in the school, because now internet is available to everybody, and it's very easy to do business on the internet. And that is the next topic, money on the internet. Most of the flourishing business right now are on the internet. So that is going to be the next revolution. Next topic is talking about green business and ethics. Green business means doing a business without polluting the environment, without harming the animals, without harming the forest. That is the agenda behind the green business. Ethics means doing the business transactions honestly, without committing a fraud, without committing a corruption. Next topic is called networking. Networking means establishing the connection with friends, families, which can be utilized for growing your business. Especially when you are launching a business, initially you need a lot of capital to start the business, and that time the biggest help you have is your friends and families. Giving back means once you fulfill your dreams, we have to contribute to our society to grow the societies, either providing the free service or charitable donations, like starting a school or starting a hospital, or giving the charitable donations to the charitable organizations. For example, right now we are suffering from COVID-19 infections, and there was a fund created by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and some people have contributed a lot of money there. Who was the biggest contributor? Can anybody remember?
Sundar Pichai.
By the way, who contributed the maximum money to Prime Minister's Coronavirus Fund?
Ratan Tata.
Very good answer. And the amount was? Teachers? 1,500 crores was the answer. Even Akshay Kumar gave 25 crores, and many other people contributed. That is called giving back. So once you have your desires fulfilled, then it is our duty, our dharma, our karma to help the others who are in the need. The chapter 9 talks about finding your balance. That means you should not become workaholic. That means basically you started a business, you started a job, started a career, and you are working, and there is no time for family or friends or your self-enjoyment. That should not be the case. Life is to enjoy. So the benefit of starting a business is economical benefit, solving the problems for the society, but you do get profit to enjoy, and that profit should be enjoyed instead of sitting in the bank. Remember that part. The chapter 10 talks about, yes, you can do it. That is the positive attitude. Remember 7 habits of highly effective people taught us by Bob Anderson, sir. And one of the topic in that book is about being positive. So you have to have a self-confidence that whatever the career you want to start, could be business or a service or a job, doesn't matter what career you want to start, but you have to have a can-do attitude, means yes, I can achieve that target. And finally, we are going to develop a website. Each student is going to get a Google Suite user ID and password of the school, and you will be given access to create your own website, and we are going to define the life mission statements of all the students on that website, and you will get an opportunity to learn the skills how to develop the website also. That is going to be the agenda of this class. Now this is a complete curriculum, so it is going to take a time, over a period of time we will be able to complete this. So it is not that this will be done in 1 session or 2 sessions. Whatever the time it is going to take, slowly we are going to learn whatever we could this year, we will continue next year and thereafter. So it is going to be a continuous journey to learn the different skills. So what I would like to do now is go back to our video screen and talk about the first agenda on the chapter called What Do You Want to Become When You Grown Up? See the introduction on the top here. So that is the topic we are going to discuss today. So let us come back, and I would like to know that how many students of today's class have defined their life goals when we created the life goals last year. Remember, we collected all your missions, life missions, printed a chart, and it was posted on the wall in the school. Do you remember that part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are
Yes, sir.
students in the class, so we need to redo that exercise. Plus, some of you might be able to change your goals, because as you acquire the knowledge, you understand the world better, and then you are ready to change, make the suggestions depending on your information. That initially when we ask the students what do you want to become, most of them say that I want to become a teacher, and the reason for that is they are communicating with the parents and teachers. That is their world initially, but as you grow up, you will be able to gather more and more information, and you will be able to make a better decision. So class teachers, Chandrakala ma'am,
Yes, sir.
what we would like to do is we would like to go one by one sequentially from the top to bottom. All the students, they have to
Correct.
introduce themselves to the class, and they have to define their life goal. I want to become a scientist, I want to become an army officer, I want to become a police officer, whatever their goal is. And also they have to say the reason. If somebody wants to become a scientist, there should be a reason, there should be a purpose. Having purpose in life is very big thing. Unless until there is a purpose in the life, life becomes a pendulum. That means you are not sure where you're going. You are going in all over the directions, and there is no fun in that. So
Correct.
once you define the life goal, then purpose is defined. Once purpose is defined, now you can take the speed of 100 or 1,000 or million miles an hour. It is up to you. Whatever the dreams you have, you will be able to achieve once you define the purpose. So today's goal is talking about everybody's purpose in the life, everybody's life mission in the life, everybody's career mission in the life. So you have to tell your name, you have to tell your class, you have to tell your life mission, and also 1 or 2 sentences the reason for it. Now along with that, I would like all the students to collect a piece of paper and pen in front of you. Also write down that mission on your piece of paper, notebook. Actually, write it in a notebook. That way it stays longer. And I would like you to stick that piece of paper, or actually, you know what? You should paste it on the wall wherever you sit. That way you can see it every day. So take a notebook, write it in it, and basically tear off the paper and put it on the wall. So that is going to be today's exercise also as a part of the class. So let us begin introducing each and everyone. Class teachers will coordinate that. Remember your name, your class, your life mission, and the reason for it. That is going to be the next step. CK ma'am, go ahead.
So, good morning, students. I will take one by one student name from 7th grade. We will start from that class. And the first name is Jay Desai. Jay Desai.
CK ma'am.
Sir.
You know there are 32 participants, so we should talk to 32, not the one which are absent.
Okay, he's here.
He's
Okay.
here?
Yeah.
And just in case if the student is not able to hear you or something is wrong with the connection, we skip it and go to the next student so we can save the time.
Yeah. So next student is Akansha Khanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just introduce yourself, your class, and what you want to become in the future.
Hello, everyone. My name is Akanksha Kanve from grade 8. So, I want to become a doctor in future. I would take the category maybe the ladies doctor or heart surgeon.
That's
And
good.
do you want to become doctor?
Yes,
Yeah.
and I have been inspired by my father. He told me to become doctor not for the money but for helping the poor people who is not getting the correct treatment by the bigger doctors.
Yeah,
Very
that's
good goal, beta. You have to serve the society, you have to serve the community, and that is how you serve our country also, by becoming a doctor. But just
Yes,
remember that the duty we are going to do should be honest and truthful. That is very important. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank
Yes.
you, Akansha, for sharing your experience. Next, I am moving ahead for Atharva Lahamge.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Atharva Lahamge and I am from 8th grade. So, after my graduation or I will complete the higher studies, I will go to the IITs and I want to become a mechanical engineer. After I will go to the IITs, I will I want to contribute in the technology of our country and serve our nation.
Very good. Very noble cause. So you want to join the IITs. To join the IITs, there is an entrance exam called GATE, which is one of the toughest exam in India. So you have to make sure you prepare for those exams starting from right now itself. Few of the subjects which are important for the GATE are general knowledge, mathematics, English, critical thinking, and science. So you have to make sure math and science, these are the topics you focus very well, so that you will be able to join the IITs, become the engineer, and contribute to our society, contribute to our community and the country. Very good. Next.
Thank you, Atharva, for sharing your experience. Next, I am taking the name of Avni Wagmare.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Avni Wagmare from 8th grade. And after I complete my higher education, I want to do a MD in science. After that, I want to appear for UPSC exam. After I crack that exam, I want to become an IS officer or an CM in bank.
Okay, very good. So your goal is IS officer, and what was that? Next one.
Sir, CM in branch, chief manager.
Chief manager in the bank.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And what is the purpose of becoming either the bank industry or the government?
Sir, actually, I am inspired by my father. He is also working in a bank and he always tells me to work hard as he like he's suffering. He had changed many jobs and he can't find a suitable one. So he said to me that you must find a suitable job so that you don't, so that you should not have a hard life in future.
Yeah.
And I want to serve the nation as well.
Yes. See, both the goals are honorable. Becoming IS officer, you can serve the country. Becoming a bank chief officer, you can basically serve the society. Just remember one part: in government industry, our India has a lot of issues, and one of the major issue is the corruption. So my request to all the globalites is that I want you to become Tukaram Munde of the IS officer of tomorrow, so that you become the example to the society, you become the example to the government and everybody, so that not only your family and community, but the whole state and country should feel proud that you are honestly serving the country and the society. That is how we want to give the example or keep the example in front of you. So good luck to you, either a IS officer or banking officer. Both are good causes. So next one, please.
Thank you, Avni Wagmare,
Thank you,
for your
sir.
wonderful. Next, I would like to take the name of Neha Andale.
Yes, ma'am. So, sir, everyone, myself Neha Andre, and I'm from 8th grade. My goal in life is to become an IS officer. The reason to become this is because, as we saw in this pandemic, many poor people and everyone who are getting affected by this virus, they're not having the proper facilities for it. So I want to provide this also. And if we see towards our village, it is having a lot of water issues, and the water is coming after 10 to 15 days. So I like to improve this problem of not only my village, but many of the cities and villages in our country.
Very good cause, beta. Very good. Very nice. So definitely you have an intention of serving the country, serving the society and the community. So definitely you can prepare for it. A lot of competition is there in passing the competitive exams for IS officer. So make sure you are preparing from right now. And the topics you want to cover are general knowledge, and what all the other subjects they ask the exams. I am not sure IS officer what subject they choose, but general knowledge is one of them. English is one of them. Oral communications, they take your interviews, so you have to make sure that your oral communication is confident and strong. I am also going to take the classes on the oral communication for all our students and also the teachers, so that the communication is improved. The last step in becoming IS officer is passing the oral exam, which is supposed to be the tough. So wishing you good luck. Make sure you study hard and start preparing right now itself. Okay.
Yeah, good one, Neha,
Yes,
for
thank
sharing
you,
your
sir.
wonderful experience. Next, I would like to take the name of Ram Khandwe.
Hello, sir. My name is Ram Khanwe. I am from 8th grade. So, as we know that farming is most important part of life. So, I want to become an entrepreneur, and I want to start my own business of organic fertilizers.
Okay, we found one finally. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, because of that, some farmers use chemical fertilizers, and it harms the people who buy that. So, I would stop the use of organic
Very
chemical
good,
fertilizers, and then it will reduce
yes.
the pollution, and I will sell it in very low cost, so it could help the poor farmers to buy the products easily.
Okay, very good. So you want to start a organic fertilizer factory. So that will come under the green business. Remember one of the topic we were talking about in the index page, green business, where we can avoid the damage to the environment, damage to the soil, and chemical fertilizers are the one of the reason the soil is becoming spoiled, and to avoid that we have to use the organic fertilizers to sustain the quality of the soil. So very good cause. and you have chosen the topic as entrepreneur. So to become the entrepreneur, one of the major skill you need is innovation and creativity. Innovation means starting something new, like whoever invented a computer or invented a telephone, invented electricity or aeroplane. These are the inventions. And the creativity comes into the picture. Once the invention is there, we need to improve that. So you can use your intelligence to create the better version of that. When the first time aeroplane was manufactured, it could fly only few miles. Now the aeroplane can fly thousands and thousands of miles, and now we have aeroplanes going non-stop from India to America. So that is called creativity. We have increased the size, we have increased the comfort in it. So that is the skill we need as a creativity. And third one is called problem solving. So you have already identified a problem. What is the problem? Damage created by the chemical fertilizers to the soil, to the environment, to the trees, and overall society also. So to avoid that, we need to find an alternate product. An alternate product is organic fertilizers. So that will reduce the pollution and improve the quality of the soil, and also the quality of the food grains which are being produced through the pesticides or through the chemical fertilizers are not healthy. They can cause many diseases like cancer, and those things are coming from the chemicals we feed to the grains, feed to the soil. So we need to make sure we avoid that, and if we use the organic products, definitely the quality of the food is much better, and that can improve everybody's health. So good cause, good aim in the life, good purpose, good luck for you. If you need any help, come to Cancer.
Yes, good idea, Ram Khanwe. That's a unique one. Next, I would like to take the name of Shivam Kapse for sharing his experience.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Shivam Kapse. I am from 8th grade, and I want to become a pilot in Indian Air Force because I want to do good thing for my country. My father was in Indian Army, so I want to go in that side only for a pilot in Indian Air Force or Navy.
Okay, so you want to become a pilot in Indian Air Force, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good cause. That way you will be able to serve the country, safeguard our borders, and keep our country safe from the enemies. And you might have seen in recent days, there are a lot of clashes happening with our border with two neighboring countries, both China and Pakistan. They are always creating a trouble for India. So we need honest, hardworking army person, navy person, and the air force people. So it's a good cause to serve our country. Okay, good luck. One thing you have to prepare for is staying your body or keeping your body healthy. To join the any of three branches of the military, you need to be very strong and healthy person. So do exercise on time, drink a lot of milk, and be strong. Okay.
Nice concept, Shivam Kapse. Next, Shiv Thakkar will be sharing his experience.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, actually, before the lockdown, my goal was totally different, and after lockdown, it is totally different, sir. Sir, after lockdown, we have started our own business, and we have started the manufacturing of Bhimsen Kapoor, sir.
Manufacturing of Kapoor and
Kapoor, Bhimsen Kapoor.
Bhimsen Kapoor. Yes, yes, yes. There was a news that Bhimsen Kapoor is able to kill the coronavirus, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And there is a good demand for that product. This is how the businessmen come into the picture. When you see a problem in the society, you have to start immediately thinking for the solution. So right now, whatever tools, mechanics, medicines we are using for corona's cure is going to be a business opportunity. So manufacturing the mask or sanitizer or this Bhimsen Kapoor is going to be a opportunity to jump on, make it happen. And you can start as early as you said that this is how we have to be ready in the life. As the opportunity knocks on the door, we need to jump on it. So very good step towards it. So you started manufacturing already?
Yes, sir. And it is named as Mahadev Bhimsen Kapoor.
Mahadev Bhimsen Kapoor. Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So send some samples. I'll send one of our school driver there. Send some samples. I want to see the product, and we will
Okay, sir.
display it on our social media also, that Globalites are becoming the business person already.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will be a good example to share with all the students.
And
Okay.
it is also going in Gangapur Road, College Road, and also in Mary Masroor, sir.
So why don't you go a little bit further? There is a global school also further. You can bring it there.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Yeah, I'll buy some too.
Yes, sir. I am showing you our firm card, sir.
Yeah, why don't you open your video and show me the product if you have it available?
Yes, sir. I also have that.
Yeah, open video, start your video and share the product so everybody can see.
Yes, sir, he started.
Yes, sir. Sir, see. It's there.
Say it again. Okay, very good. I can see that.
Sir, I can show you one piece also.
Yes. Nice product. Very good. Good luck to the business. Definitely there is opportunity. This is going to make a success. So
Yes, sir.
what we want to do is take some nice pictures and share with the class teachers. We will put it on our website as an example as an entrepreneur.
Yes, sir. And sticker designed by me, sir.
Very good.
And also
Nice
it is
idea.
marketed and manufactured by Thakkar Traders.
Okay. Very good. So we'll share your story on our social media so that it is an inspiration for all our students.
Sir, it's 1 kg packaging, you can see. Half kg.
Yes. Very good. Good job.
Yeah.
So now you don't have to learn anything. You have started doing it. So that is how you learn, by doing
Yes,
it
sir.
instead of learning on a theoretical basis. So
Yes.
this is the example of all the students.
Yes.
If you are considering any career, doesn't matter it is entrepreneurship or IS officer or army officer, your preparation has to start now. You don't have to wait
Yes.
till 12 graduation. Whoever starts
Yes.
early has guaranteed success. Everybody has an idea. Everybody has the same thought. The difference is made by the people who take the first step before others. Those are the
Yes.
ones who get success. You take any example, the Bill Gates or the Mark Zuckerberg or Jeff from Amazon or the Elon Musk from this SpaceX satellite company. All these people have become successful because they were the first one to take the action, and that is what it makes the difference. So all the careers you have chosen, you have to make sure you are putting your efforts in that direction. That is more important. First step is
Sir,
defining, then action.
Sir, also we are ordering Kapoor Danis from Ahmedabad.
So you are going international, I mean beyond the Maharashtra.
Yes.
Okay, Shiv, did you put it on the internet for selling?
No, sir, not till now.
Okay, why don't we put it on the social media?
Yes, my father also telling, sir, because on Amazon the Bhimsen Kapoor is 1 kg is like 4,000 and 5,000.
Okay, why don't you come to me and we will meet together and I will explain you the procedure how to market this on social media.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay? Very good.
Okay.
Next student.
Thank you for amazing initiative, Steve. Next, I would like to go for Harshika Thakur. Okay.
Is she
Yes,
there?
Harshika. Yeah, Harshika. Okay, next one is Aradhya Khaire. Aradhya Khaire. Okay, he's on Chaitanya Nikum.
Good morning, sir.
Good
I am
morning.
Chaitanya Manoj Nikum from grade 7.
Yes.
My aim is to become businessman. After my studies, I will do BSc Agri and then I will be apply for MBA. And I want to become businessman because in business we are the boss of our own. No tension of in job we have so much tension, and I and the loss and profit will our own, not of others.
Okay, very good analysis. So you are going to be your own boss by becoming a business person, right?
Yes, sir.
And all the profits you can enjoy for yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also you can solve the society's problem and you can
Yes.
help the country and serve our country by doing the same. So do you have any ideas what business you want to go in, industry or product or service, anything?
Now our shop is that agricultural that seeds and pesticides.
So you
I
sell
want
the pesticides
I
and
want
what
to
else?
pesticide seeds.
Uh-huh.
I want to make some more branches and some and I want to help farmers and giving them in low cost.
Very good cause. So you want to expand your business to multiple locations
Yes.
and basically help the poor farmers who is a struggling society right
I
now.
yes, I handle shop now only and also goes for the drugs of cottons.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good cause. The way one of our other students said that he want to do a green fertilizer, so you can do a green pesticides. That means organic pesticides instead of chemical pesticides.
Yes.
When you use the organic products, they do the less harm to the community, less harm to the environment, and basically all the food grains which are coming out are going to have less problem to our health. So carry out. I'm going to take a break. I need to drink something.
Thanks,
And
Chaitanya.
I want to bring the license of materials also.
That's
Yes,
good,
yes,
Chaitanya.
very good. Okay, ma'am, coordinate it. I'll be back in a minute. I need to drink something.
Yeah, yeah. That's nice concept shared by Chaitanya. Yes, everyone. So I will take one by one. Just you have to share what you want to become in the future. So in that way, sir can also give you the guidance for the same as the sir has given for me.
Till that time, everyone write your aim and your goal on a piece of paper, as Ken sir told you before.
Yeah, so go fast and just write your name, class, and your goal. What you want to become in the future. On a big page. Make sure you will use the blank page. That will be good. Okay.
Yeah, complete your activity. Till that time, Ken sir will be back and will go further for the next students' goals. So basically, you have to write your name, your goal, what you want to become in your life, and you have to paste it in front of your camera. Okay, do the complete your activity.
We are going to see each and everyone's camera. Okay. अगर नहीं हुआ
Yeah.
तो इसके बाद क्लास रहेगा तुमको बहुत फटके पड़ेंगे हाँ सबने एक्टिविटी करना है each
मैम मेरे को एक बार फिर से बताएंगे क्या मैम?
just have to take one
आपको क्या करना है, एक पीस ऑफ पेपर पे आपका जो एम है, आपने अभी जो कैंसर के साथ डिस्कस किया है कि आपको लाइफ में क्या बनना है, आपके गोल्स क्या है, वो आपको एक पेपर पे लिखना है.
ओके
big handwriting okay
या एंड आपको आपके स्क्रीन पे वो विजिबल करना है. उसके मतलब कैंसर आने के बाद आपको आपके स्क्रीन पे दिखाना है कि आपका एम, आपका गोल क्या है लाइफ में. चलो स्टार्ट योर एक्टिविटीज.
Is anyone started?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Those who will done, they can just give thumb in chat box, okay? So we can come to know that how many student has done their work. Whenever you will do it, just say yes in chat box. Simply just you have to write your goal, okay? When your sir will come, I will just start with the next student will be Nandini Nikam, okay? Be ready.
Ma'am, I'm Tanishka also present.
Simran and Nikhil Raj, both are present. Simran, Nikhil Raj and Anshu Kumar. Okay. So Nandini, can you hear me? Nandini? Okay. Tanishka Khandwe.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
My name is Tanishka Khandwe. I am from grade 7. I want to become IS officer in future. Reason is that I want to help the poor peoples. Like some people are in our Nasik also not having a proper home, and food for eating. There are they need many things for they need many things for survival, and they are not having many, like some people are not having proper food, clothes and water for drinking. So I want to become IS officers.
Okay, that nice concept that you want to help to the poor and needed people who will be needed different kinds of thing. That's good. So next, I would like to take the name of Harsh Carpenter.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Harsh Carpenter, and I'm in 8th grade. So my life goal is Para SF, and Para SF, and I want to join Para SF because the person who is in Para SF, he's strong, he's intelligent, and I want to prove their motto, man apart, every man and every.
That's good. Okay, how you get inspired from him?
Ma'am, I'm inspired with my father, who is strong, who is intelligent, and who can do anything if he think.
CK, can you give me the background? What was his goal? Hello?
So can I repeat if you don't mind?
Yeah, what was your goal? Tell me one more time.
So my goal is Para SF, Special Forces.
Special Forces. Okay, very good. That is basically serving our country, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So whenever there is a special need like a national disaster, that is where they come into the picture, right?
No, not about that, sir. Special Forces, like you had seen the movie Surgical Strike, Uri Surgical Strike. Then it's based on them. So Para SF Commandos done that operation.
Do the Black Commandos come into that?
No, Black Commandos come in NSG.
I see. So these are even separate than that.
Yes, I'm separating.
So basically, it is still a part of our army, military.
Yes, sir. These are the elite special forces of our army.
Yes. I got it. So very noble cause. To join the elite forces, you need to be elite in your health also. So make sure doing exercise regularly, drink a lot of milk, and be healthy.
Yes, sir.
On top of that, there will be a competitive exam, so make sure you prepare for that too. Very soon,
Yes.
we will be starting the foundation courses also. My plan was to start this year itself from the 8th grade. but because of this COVID-19 situation, we have to run the whole situation online. As soon as you guys come back to the school, we are starting the foundation courses. In that, we will be preparing you for all the future competitive exams, IAS, IPS, the state level exams, national level exams, plus these medical, engineering, and whatever other exams are out there. So that is coming.
That's good, Harsh, that directly you are going to contribute to nation. That's appreciated.
Yeah.
Next,
Yes.
we'll take the name of Krishna Magar.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to become an engineer because I want to invent so many things and change the world.
So you want to become what, beta?
Engineer, sir.
You want to become an engineer. So what kind? Have you decided?
Means in
Yes,
which
sir.
field you want to become an engineer?
What kind of engineer?
Sir, mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineer. So there is a golden opportunity for mechanical engineers to manufacture the cars by using the green technology. You
Yes,
know,
sir.
there is a car company in America called Tesla.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That car runs on electricity instead of petrol or diesel. So that is called green business, where you will be able to do the less damage to the environment and manufacture the same atoms. So you will be able to go into that industry as a mechanical engineer. So do you have any idea what exactly you would like to do? Any product you want to invent, or you want to join a bigger organization? Have you thought in that direction yet?
No, sir. Not yet, but I want to decide.
Yes, no problem. But it is a good purpose, good goal, mission, of the life that you would like to go in that direction. Once the direction is fixed, now you can put your efforts in that direction. To become a number one engineer in India, IIT is the option. And if you want to go for IIT, you need to be very strong in math and science. So start preparing for that right now itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Student.
Yeah, next I would like to take the name of girl from 7th grade, Shruti Morade.
Good morning, all. Myself Shruti Morade. My dream is to become IPS officer. The reason behind it is first my grandpa stated on TV that in that news we got us that how police are how the officers are helping the people. Therefore I think support I can also do. Therefore my dream is to become IPS officer. And for what behind it is I'm interested to serve my country.
Okay, she want to become an IPS officer. That's good. One of great thoughts coming toward from all of you.
Have you written your goal on a piece of paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Display on your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have done that activity, just kindly on your camera.
Be visible to others. उसको बोलो order change करने के लिए.
Yeah, this is Shiv Thakkar. I can't see what you have written.
आपण हे नाव इकडून टाकायचं सरळ होतं ना. इकडूनच बरोबर आहे. कारण
I want
माणसाला दिसतंय ते नाव.
become-
इकडून टाकलं तर एकाच माणसाला दिसणार आहे. त्याला फोन करायला आवडतो. प्रिंट झाले जर नसतील त्याला म्हणा ओरिजिनल डिझाईनच परमनंट ठेवायला सांगितली आहे. हा? हा. ते बदलायचं होते ना. तर ते
Adani, that myself from 7th grade, I want to become a doctor of animals. Yeah, that's good. You want to become a veterinarian?
Okay, students, let us carry on.
They have written their goals.
Okay, very good. I can see. I want to become. Everybody goals are on the screen. Good job. Now you take a nice picture and send it to your class teacher. class teacher has to show me all the goals for every student, and we are going to create the chart one more time because many of the students are changing their goals. So we need to update that chart which we printed last year. So
Yes, sir.
that chart will be prepared again, and we will be sharing that chart on the social media. Class teachers, what we have to do is, the students who are attending the class today, they have defined their goals, but I will be sending a Google form which we'll have to broadcast to all the remaining students, get their answers, compile it all together, and then we will publish the full chart of all the students on the social media. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Good. All the students covered, or we have still somebody remaining?
Yeah, that nice concept that we are doing all the activity by taking initiative. Next, I would like to take the name of Sumit Golse from 7th grade. Okay, next I would like to take the name of Janvi Zadav.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead for sharing your experience.
Teachers, my name is Janvi Radha.
Yes.
Good morning, sir and teachers. My name is Janvi Radha. I'm from grade 7. My aim in life is to become a doctor because the life of a doctor is very noble. It's the life and the people who need them when they feel sick. The doctor tries to show his full hope and joy to the people.
Very good. So you want to become doctor, it's a noble cause. You can serve the society and our country, helping the sick people, and also helping the poor and needy when they are not able to afford the medical care. Very good. You have to study the science subject hard and prepare for it. There is a new exam you have to pass, which is one of the toughest exam in India. So make sure you are preparing for it. Go right now. Okay.
That's one of good you have
Okay,
shared
sir.
right now. Thank you. Next,
Very
I
good.
would like to take the name of Rajeshri Boye from 7th grade. Yes, Chaude. Simran Yadav. Nandini Nikam. Can you hear me? Nandini Nikam and Jay Desai. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. He also wants to tell.
Good morning. My name is Nandini Nikam. My goal
Ma'am,
is
take
to
my name.
become a dancer because dance has a moral reason. It tells us that we will not give up. Dancing is about practicing every day until you learn the correct movements. Dancing is the best medium for people to show their true color to the world and show their accomplishments. Through dancing, we understand ourselves better than understanding our emotions and understanding our talent until we dance. When we dance, we are related to the music that influences our bodies, minds, and thoughts. Dance tells me a lot in life. I am confident in creative. I learn to listen to my feelings and understand my feelings.
Very good. So we have an artist among our batch. He wants to become a dancer and express herself through that art. Very good cause. Are you taking any dance classes right now?
No, sir.
You have to start preparing for whatever the goal you have right now itself. Even you will be able to take some classes online too. My daughter is in the dance class in USA, and because of this COVID, For few months they were running the classes online. Now they started full time through the social distancing. But you should prepare somehow, find a way to get connected. Whoever is running whatever the classes, but whatever the skill you want to learn, you should put the efforts in that direction. So there is a famous we have famous dances. One is called Bharatnatyam. Another is Chipudi or something like that. And there are many more. So you have to decide the contemporary and this, this Bollywood dance has become a art itself now because it is worldwide known. So you need to decide which skill you want to develop. By the way, my daughter has graduated in dance. She has a degree in dance. She just graduated from Temple University in USA. So if you need any guidance, help, I can get you connected with Karishma. That's her name. And she can help you what kind of dance and what to do and how to prepare for it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, as I said, even I also saw the videos of Karishma ma'am over there. They have danced very well and with the full of energy. I saw her videos too. Amazing.
Yeah, CK ma'am.
Yes, sir.
See if you can share the link to this student so that they can get connected with each other.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Very good. Next one.
So last one we are having right now in line that Swayam Birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, myself. Good morning, myself, Swayam Vade. I am from 7th grade. My life goal is to become a businessman. First, I complete my graduation and I take business management course. I build one industries like Sayadri. In Sayadri, there are raw materials and fruit production. In India, there are many people did not have work. So I want to give them work in my industries. Some farmers want to be a suggestion, so I want to give the suggestion to them.
Okay, very good. We got another entrepreneur in the line. So you want to start your own industry. Very good. So make sure you are getting a proper education along with that. And as you said, you need to take business classes. The education you want to do it for becoming businessman is called BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, and then you can do something called MBA, Master in Business Administration. That is what I have done. I did my MBA from USA, and that is where I learned about the entrepreneurship, how to start a business, how to run it successfully, how to sell the business, and how to enjoy the profit. That is the full cycle they teach you during MBA. Shiv Thakkar has a question. CK ma'am.
I want to show variety.
Okay. Try to come to the campus now because we have run out of the time. We are already 12 o'clock. We were allocated 1 hour time on the clock. But I would like to help you to guide how to market that product on social media. So we can market it only here in Maharashtra and India, but you can go worldwide. You can connect with the online payment system and I can help you to market this one worldwide. So come to the main campus, fix the time with the class teacher or coordinate with Namrata ma'am. She will guide you when to come. We'll sit together and come up with the game plan. I would like to promote this so that this becomes an example for the whole school student that you can start a business when you are a student. You don't have to wait, become an adult and start a business. So come to the campus, we'll have fun.
Yes, you will be setting up an example.
Of course, sir. Very good, very good. So students, everybody declare their life goals.
Simran and Arya, would you like to tell? Simran and Arya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, Arya.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Arya Kailash Gangude, and I am from 7th grade. I want to become a veterinary doctor, means the doctor of animals.
and I want
Yes.
to save the life of animals. And my grandfather is also a veterinary doctor, and I have seen their efforts to check the animals.
Yes, beta, a very good cause because we have a tough situation on animals in India. Especially nowadays, cows are left on the road without the ownership and they get into the accidents and there is nobody to take care of them. So the cause you have chosen is very noble and the humans need the medical service, medical help. Same way, animals also need the help. And we need to do our part as a human to make sure we are safeguarding humans, animals, and the trees and plants and greeneries of this planet Earth. Then only this is going to sustain the healthy environment. If trees disappear from the planet, we know what happens. The weather has gone out of control. If animals disappear from the planet, same problem will occur. The COVID-19 also has a cause in the environment disaster because this virus was supposed to be somewhere else. But now it entered humans because we are crossing the path. Humans are eating the animals which they were not supposed to. The animals we are not supposed to come close to humans, they are coming because we vanish the forest and the jungles. So somewhere there is a
Yes,
gap we need to fill, and there is a need for this variety of service also in the societies to keep the balance. So good cause.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Very
Arya,
good.
for sharing the environmental concept with us. That's a good thing. Yeah, only one student is remaining. I can see that. Harshika Thakur.
Huh.
Harshika. Okay, or else we have done, sir.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, so
Simran.
student,
Yes, sir, Simran. Yeah, Simran is remaining last one. Yeah, Simran, go ahead for your introduction.
Hello everyone, myself Simran Yadav from grade 8 and I am become to a doctor because I want to make our country healthy.
yes, very good. So keeping our
But
society,
poor people doesn't.
keeping healthy, good cause, becoming a doctor. Make sure when you grow up and become a doctor, you are practicing honestly because medical field is also getting polluted with the kickbacks and the corruption. We need to make sure we keep that bad element away from our society so we can progress honestly. And to become the doctor, you need to pass the NEET exam to get into the MBBS. So science
Yes.
subject is number one priority for you. So make sure your efforts are in that direction from right now. There is a text here from Pari. Did she declare her goal?
Yes, Pari, go ahead. Her name came here as Pooja Thakur, so I was not knowing that.
Yes,
Pari
yes.
Badan.
Pari,
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself from 7th grade. I want to become a doctor of animals to helping the animals that and I will take efforts that animals are living here and there and no one is taking care of them. So I will take care of them. So I want to become a doctor.
yes, so you want to become a veterinary doctor. As I explained, there is a need for that service also because we have a lot of animals suffering in our country, especially cows who used to be taken care by farmers. Since farmers are not having enough land, they are letting them go and they just, wander around the highways. So we need to, and they get injured and there is nobody to take care of them. So make sure you help them, injured animals also, and that's a good cause needed for our country. So thank you all the students. It was pleasure meeting with you. It has been a long gap. We have not celebrated many of our festivals, but very soon we will come out of this trouble and we will be up and running with full-time adventure. Meanwhile, put the focus on all the videos coming to you, all the digital material coming to you from teachers. Listen to their guidelines. Your exam is coming. Prepare for it. And make sure you complete your homework for giving your life goals to your teacher. So see that we'll compile the list and give it to us and we'll circulate that on social media so that everybody is aware of it. So pleasure meeting with all of you. Good luck for your future careers and study hard. Thank you. Bye now. Bye now.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Next class. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. CK ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear Chandrakala?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to design a Google digital form which will share with the students to collect all their content. And the way we have prepared the charts, we will prepare it again one more time so that we have a revised goals for all the students.
Yes, sir. No worry.
And then we will also share that on social media for all the classes from the 1st grade till the 8th grade.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nice. So we will conclude the class here. I have one more class at 1 o'clock for the younger kids. So I have to get ready for that. So CK, thank you for coordinating. Everything going okay in Rajasthan?
Yes, sir. Just
How is
missing
weather,
Nasik.
by the way?
Just missing too much Nasik.
I know. Actually, you know what happened? The staff came to me and they said, sir, we haven't done any celebration, any fun activity this year. So we are tired in sitting in the office and looking at these computer screens. Let us do something.
Myself, CK.
Yeah,
So
they are planning something over there without me. See my best
I
friend.
know. So we will call you from the Ramsej, okay?
Video call. I told them that I'm going to call you. I'm going to give you a video call.
Block that number. No, I don't want to see that all thing. No, I'm missing too much.
Do you have another fort nearby you? You can climb that and we'll just communicate from the fort to fort.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yep.
Did you plan to come back here soon or what is the plan?
Soon, sir. बहुत हो गया.
Very good. So we are excited. Once you come down, we'll make another trip.
Yep, sir. Definitely.
Okay. Thank you. We'll conclude the session today and we'll be in touch with each other. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye now.